biggest talent reality show ng bansa is back for its 7th season. Para muling ibandera ang talentong proudly Pinoy at ipamalas ang mas pinag-iba yung galing mula sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas. Lahat sila'y matapang na sumugod para tayo'y sindakin at pabilibin. Makakasama natin this new season ang new tag team of hosts, Melay Cantiveros.
Ang first kong nilook forward is yung sweldo. Nilook forward din namin yung bandingan namin na makakuha kami ng lesson at makakuha kami ng inspiration sa ating mga performer.
At Robbie Domingo.
Marami akong look forward. Like, lahat ng mga kakulitan, kaguluhan namin ni Melay sa likod.
I'm so excited for that and I can't hide it. Can we stop this interview?
At ang bago ring set of Pilipinas Got Talent judges. The most admired and most respected names in the industry. The Boss, Freddie FMG Garcia.
When they told me that it's going back, I was so excited. I'm hoping we will find the talent that we could be proud of worldwide. After 7 years, we were expecting something like this to happen.
Comedy star for all season, Eugene Domingo.
Di naman kinakailangang manggaya ng sa mga napapanood na nila before. Alam mong magaling ka doon, ipakita mo. Mapapayas ako doon kasi alam ko authentic yun eh. You have my big yes.
New Gen Matinee Idol, Donnie Pangilinan.
Kasi it doesn't need to be just talent, it could be the personality. Basically something that will move the hearts of not just the Filipinos but the global audience.
Ramdam na ramdam namin yung hustle and grind nyo.
And Asia's superstar, Catherine Bernardo.
I just want to be entertained, just like our audience. Gusto ko makita yung puso ng bawat performer. Ang gagaling! Na-entertain ako.